Yo, what's happening, YouTubers? It's your boy Zoomer the Beast, and I'm not alone. I'm with the king of shawties. You know, but yeah, bro, I'm not alone. I'm with
Miley Wonder, aka Mane, aka Boss Baby, aka BMW. But those are too many AKAs. You'll just call me Boss Baby. I have no social, so like
no Instagram,
no Facebook. You may know me on TikTok, but I have a small following base. You know.
Yeah, we actually both do.
You have a YouTube channel. I don't have. I just watch
following people's following me. But guys, like seriously, on Instagram it's Zuma the Beast, you know, with the kid, and also it's at TikTok. I'm two actually. There's Zuma Natal and there's Zuma the Beast, but yeah.
Zuma.
Make sure to follow us, guys. Make sure to follow us. And this guy has a YouTube channel. Didn't you say you have a YouTube channel?
I don't even know if I have it. Let me just check it out. I do. It's called Miley Wonder.
But make sure to follow him. He doesn't have a video, but make sure he will. Eventually he will do. But yeah, make sure to follow him, guys, to subscribe. And guys, make sure to subscribe. And you know the thing, bro. You know the thing that it's the kids. It's the it's the kids. You know, gotta make a living, though. So like, yeah, guys.
So what are we doing today? What's up?
Today. I know it's been a long time, guys, since I've like posted, and you guys have been crying, saying that I don't post anymore. But yeah, guys, it's been a journey, bro. It's been a journey. But yeah, guys. So like, guys, today I'm not gonna be doing a prank. You know, you guys know like I'm a prankster and stuff. But today I'm not gonna be doing a prank. We're gonna be so again, it's gonna be smaller. Not 20 minutes. It's gonna be smaller. But today we're gonna be nice. Welcome again, guys. Welcome back again, guys. It's your boy. So like, guys, I'm sorry for the color up. We've been dealing with some really technical issues that are serious. You know it. But okay, we're here to say, guys. Another thing I was about to say is that I've seen the numbers of views, but I don't see the numbers of likes. You guys, they don't correspond. You guys are wrong. And you guys don't like to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, guys. I'm still a youngster. I'm still a fresh nigga in the culture. You know that, right? Shit. Okay, the first brother in the culture. You know that, right, guys? So like, guys, please subscribe. Please like. Please comment what I must do next for the next things. You know. So today I'm not here about the prank. You know, you guys know me that you know, you guys, you know that I'm a prankster, all that, guys. Again, not gay, but I'm a prankster. But so, guys, take it, bitch. Okay. Not a swearing person, but yeah, guys. What do I want to say? Fair too.
You
the sound.
Uyatatazela. Busefuna icishe.
Hayi man, awuzibatha ngicishe. But not there. We're like telling. It's like telling, guys, today we're gonna be doing the challenge where we will be calling our crushes and being rude to them. This is an idea that I just thought of now. But yeah, we're gonna be calling our crushes and being rude to them. Let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be starting. Definitely not cutting that. I'm wrong, bro. What's going on, bro? But I'm definitely not cutting it. So guys, I'm not gonna say too much about this girl, but like, yeah, was my crush. I don't have a crush right now, cause like Sorry for that. Sorry for that. No. Definitely not. I'm not gonna do that. So okay, guys, I'm gonna start because it's a bit late and maybe she won't answer. You know them girls, bro. At school age.
Oh, why is she going out? Oh, she's
yeah, at school age.
What grade is she in right now?
I'm not gonna say that. So guys,
don't do nothing. On says you just do nothing.
Okay.
You talking, I'm talking.
Nah, it's gonna be me. I'm just gonna lie. 10:15. Can't turn quiet. Hi.
Hello.
Johnny.
Canada.
Unjani? How face? Ngizwa?
Ubani?
How face umuntu wakho ngedlala. Uzomi.
Oh. Enjani mfethu?
Ngikhumbula wena ngiyekela.
Nasicina nini mfethu ivoice yakhe cabanga.
Bona ukuthi njani. Ngiyakhumbula.
Oh.
Kade umuhle.
Hawu.
Kade umuhle. Kade umuhle. Kodwa sikho.
Cha.
Kodwa sikho lapho.
Right.
Right. When saw short as always.
Okay.
Usaw short as always.
Mfethu ngicela ngaphinde ngakhulu.
Ngoba
Bose.
Nkosi ama-dwarfs.
Konzakaleni namhlanje ngabona.
Hayi no lutho. Just thinking nje. Of a brother ngithona.
Oh, okay.
Phela vele sasha ngamapanti.
Ngizosho airtime, eh?
Ngizwa?
Ngizosho airtime.
Hayi, hawu manje kufanele umuntu mfatha amcini.
Lapho tapena sakubona. Ngisho ngizofuna iPhone.
Ngoba wathi vele ungifuni nje so nje.
Awu.
I'm a person or like invisible to you.
Yeah, personally.
I'm person or invisible nje kuyena.
Awayikho leyo nto.
Wagcina nokukhuluma nami. Or even on WhatsApp.
Ngimapha ngithanda double check ngizocheckela.
Abo nje usu double check yasho ukuthi I'm invisible to you.
Phela ngazi.
Hayi, but aku fresh, ko right.
Awu, now we
Hawu.
Neta.
Ngizwa?
Ngithune manje.
Ko drama la. Oje nje, siyabonakala bese ngadingakala empilweni yabo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Njalo ngebholo yonkulumo.
Kanjani?
Ngisiyenza njalo ngebholo yonkulumo.
Injani?
Uthi usaya khona.
Ubani?
Yeah.
Ngikhonzela intana yami. Mina abe ngifonele yona yazi. Hayi wena.
Awathi mina.
Hey.
Manje ngikhumbule bani.
Mhlawumbe ngicabange qala before ngicabanga. Kana yami ibhoza yami ngile ya. Ngithi ngiyamthanda.
Mntu uyamthanda?
Igama lakho siyamthanda nje.
Manje uyamthanda?
Umshilana uthi wena.
Ngiyamthanda siyazi usingazi akuthanda.
Ngithe wena. Ngakho nje wena.
Yes, guys. It's fine. Sinanan mayas namon.
So some will be as always noma.
Sampai tunangsoze njengashintsha. Uthi uzosiyagitshela ukuthi uyakubona TikTok uyalike.
Why everybody ngitshela lokho ukuthi bese ngibona ku-TikTok kana wafezi.
Mina ngingana nokuthi khona la TikTok ngikulikele.
Oh, yabona uyaziveza kahle I'm invisible.
Yini manje wabalo ukhanjela into zokulikele.
Hayi no, angifuni wena uyabona phela. Yeke.
Kahle wena.
Hayi, vele kuyabonakala phezulu. Phela mhlambe ngesazi sekhona obhubhudlwana. Ngizwa?
Ufuna uhlezi unjani?
Ithi mhlawumbe sekhona boy ngesazi phela.
Awukhona vele ungasimhlanje.
Yabona.
Ngiyadlala.
Hayi, not like akekho. Kodwa sazi ukuthi akekho muhle njengami. Nawe yazi, chama boy live.
Wow.
Awu, ingada akekho nje.
Wow.
Mina ngimuhle kunawe.
Wow.
Serious.
Hey, kodwa kuthiwani? Hayi, lokho kusho it goes.
Yeah, my chama boy, you know. Yeah, now yazi. Handsome as always.
Shame.
Yeah.
Hi guys, uyaqhubeka nekhwaya ngaphandle kwini.
Phela ngeke ngaqhubeki mfethu khona nama horrible voices. Yabo.
Horrible voices.
Kahle kanti ukuphuma thina waqala mphansi yabo. Waqala mphansi from square one.
Okay, kubuyazi.
Hayi no ngiyabona kade ngibuka bana ku TikTok ngasho ukuthi yes senwile man. Senwile man.
Ushada ngani?
Fethu. That's now best 10 of the years.
Awashe yithena ngoba iyazama nje.
Mhlawumbe kumele ngabe uyi-10 manje. Uvele la namele uvele uyi-10 manje. Yonke isikhathi sami. Ngezwa?
Wona ngizonile kanjena ngoba manje ngiyithena. Angikwazi ukucula. Ngingena kwibhesi.
Ungena kwibhesi?
Yebo.
Why?
Kungifanele ngifetha izinto zami.
Hayi, ngwabe ngakwazi ke kodwa ke. It's fine.
Jaja wethu, jaja.
Hayi, ngiyajaja ngempela.
Ake ubakho.
Mfethu, ukhona umuntu unosi lapho. Enjani? Ngeke ngithi unjani?
Unozi.
Nosi.
Angikuthi singanobani?
Nosihle.
Baba ngiyosihle.
Ufuna grade 10.
Hayi angimazi umuntu mina.
Uyikwaya.
Ukwaya. Angimazi babe. Mhlawumbe ngiyamazi ngawe igama.
Ngiyela ngimazi ezomasihle yazi. Kodwa uzibiza ngoNosi.
Manje indambuzo kumina.
Phela umuntu wami. Mina ngifonele manje abo. Asa nginowazi ngifonele wena mhlambe wena uzonginikela yini ifoni.
Hayi ungazi ngibhedela bena ngifonele phela umuntu wakho.
Hawu, angithi anginayo ifoni. Namba yakho kahle yabo. Ungayicongizele.
Ngelinye ilanga mntase ngisekhwayeni yazi. Ungifonele ngokutshela ngimnika ifoni.
Nginaso isikhathi sokufonelana nomba mina.
Hawu. Unanombani mina?
Hawu.
Yabuza.
Phela ngithi sagada so nje yabo nginaso isikhathi sokufonelana nabantu abangaka.
Hayi. Yenza ngikwenzayo bafethu.
Kashaka kaka thatha ngabamba isudi ongakwazi kwaphela. Emile ubhobhodlwana, mara it's fine.
Okay, amagugu. Oh,
Siri, it's fine.
mhm.
Angivuse amagqubu.
Amagugu abambile.
Akona amagqubu.
Ivula libambile then.
Lona igqubu.
Info.
Awukhumbuzisa.
Ukumaniselani?
Hawu ukuthi fethi sakhona nje enye imfene nje yasakuyangivimba.
Makhona ini?
Omunye umuntu esakuvimba.
Usakuvimba?
Usakwangivimba.
Owangimisa kabi? Shem.
Angithi ngiyakuzama ongazame kabi bandla. Okhetha yena.
Kodwa nakho nje usaphilisa right.
Phela sophila sothini.
Ngiyamdala ngizoyisho.
Sothini phela. Kodwa ayithi ngiyakuzama ongazame kabi.
Yahle.
Cabanga nje ethanda candidates. Yabo. Lapho wasamncane kodwa it's fine bandla.
Kusebenza konke lokho in the past manje.
Mhlawumbe ngabe umuhle. Mhlawumbe ngishisa lesikole manje. Asibuke.
Kanti ngabe ngiyadluwa noma ngiyababa.
Yabo nje. Ngabe ngishisa lesikole.
Ngiyabona uhamba nje ngawa buphana.
Wo futhi.
Ngibhedela wena.
Dawanga. Yonje. Ngifika lapha ngibona ube. Kodwa khona abantu asebenza yube beyothi ngithule ngoze ngisho okuningi. Yo. Hayi sengithule ngoze ngisho okuningi.
Awangizwa ngayo ukuthi qale.
Ngiyasho nje ukuthi hayi ingabusana. Right ngisho. So kuphuma konke. Ngizwa?
Ngithi ngiye uma ufuna ukusho.
So I would be to check it, but sorry to be like rude and stuff. Continue, got some sort of video sense. If I'm doing that's like get rude and stuff. Video. It's a trend. It's a rich man. So nice. Keep her next time. So keep her next time. Bese ngekho ubhobhodlwana ngoba ngiyazi uthutha khona sekhona.
Akekho hey.
Phela siyazi you shisas you get that shisas.
Ngifuna ukuthatha manje. Ayina ngizokuthatha right.
We lapho lo muntu usaka samncane kabi lo muntu othakana sikhathi.
Hayi busy manje.
Shuma ngifike nje ngafika nje ingene impela. Ngizwa? Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay. Yeah, last time kwacishe kwenzeka izinto asikho kodwa lapho.
Bye.
Hayi, bye please. Nalo kahle. Let's exchange.
Kahle kahle ngiyabonga.
Sure.
Bye.
So guys, I failed. It's really I failed. Guys, I failed. I'm a very nice person. I'm one guys. I'm a very nice person. I failed dismally. So it's all on you, dog. It's all on you, dog. It's all on you. You gotta be rude, dog. Gotta be rude. I tried, guys. I tried. Call her ugly and call her just say she's
nah, that's voice. Just a normal conversation.
I tried.
Flashing every single time.
But you.
What's this?
I don't trust it. I know. It's 10 o'clock. How am I supposed to 10? I can't show my mom because she's looking like she got electrified. Electrified. Here we go. Waiting for it to answer.
Hello.
Yes.
Awukhuluma ngathi unamanzi mnomeni. Khuluma wo.
Ngibanga.
Uzwe kahle.
Ngizuma ngani?
Awuhlangani nalokho. Wazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi mina ke.
Call again. Police. Usho uzichuchuse kahle.
You said you were to be responsible.
But the guy introduced so khona zokushaya kahle. Yeah.
Yes, aphendule bese umuntu wena. Ngiyatshela sitshintshile nawe yes aphendule. She's not gonna. Sawubona. Awubandlulele.
Ngikhuluma noba.
Ngiyakwazi, hamba ungazi mina.
Wena ngazi. Ngoba. Ngikhuluma noba.
Edlala mfethu. Ngiyangazi mfethu, awungami mfethu manje angazi nje.
Ngoyibela.
Mfethu, awungazi ngempela.
Ngikhuluma noba.
Mfethu, umazi umjitho kuthiwa umalelisi wani.
Umalelisi.
Lithele. Wenzani yavulele?
Angileli ngikuthi.
Hlelwe.
Ngihlele.
Awubandla. Awusabi nje ukuhlala wedwa.
Ikwazi ukukhulumisana omunye umfana.
Mfethu, izwi lami li flip up noma kumemeza izolo.
Ngiyazikaya. Ngibonela wena.
Yeah. Your phone is very dry. You don't usually get calls, so I'm just doing you a favor, you know.
Shy. Sela block.
Your phone is over.
Yafonela mina.
Phone is over.
Ngazenda ngiyandela.
Ayibo, nangumuntu wo. Ufonela uba wena ayibo nangumuntu.
Alright.
Uzoshaya ngebhezi nje. Awuqede airtime yami nje lana yibo.
Okay.
Bro, pleasure it.
Ya plaza plajana man.
Sorry. Kondingilile la bebe.
Ngiyabona to hype kakhulu namhlanje.
Ayo.
Acha wethu.
Ngiyedwa mfethu ibo usungahlala nova ukwenzela ulele. Uma ulele nje. Ngithi mina usabi nje njengoba uhleli wedwa lapha.
Namhlanje.
Babo, kusho bani yena? Usabe ixoxo lonke futhi.
Alright.
Cha, mfethu yini nisabayo? Nisaba kanjani into efana nawe?
Angiba. Thanda ubani?
Nawe kanti umuhle.
Ngamuhle kabi mina.
Hey, akuxolisa kazukhala. Sorry.
Angibamba.
Sorry, kazukhala.
Kaze ngikhale.
Phela khala. Khala lula futhi.
Khalela abantu esho lalela somthethwayo.
Ha? Ha?
Awuzanga
Cha ngizwa ngicongiphendela. Speak clearly, project your voice.
ngidala.
Manje umuxoxa isingisi uzothi ngiyakudala. Project means khuluma kakhulu, speak loudly.
Okay. I gotta apologize. Gotta apologize. Saza no, saza.
Angiyi esikoleni kusasa.
You know, we're not going.
Afisa lo muntu uzozangishaya ipama manje.
Trouble. Yeah, cleanse
Yellow.
Lala manje balela bamangaka.
Okay. Selisena umoya. Ngiyaxolisa yazi, ngiyaxolisa. Three. I won.
Yeah, you want the bed. Like, I need that. You want the bed.
Okay, I mean, as close, man. You have to be old and you have to stay firm 24/7. So being rude to people is just what I do for the thing. Just for people to know, don't step on my toes, don't step where I'm stepping, you know.
Nice. So guys, this is gonna be the longest video I ever made, and the longest. Never again.
You know, I
this
need to
long.
apologize in better face.
So guys, thank you for watching. Keep that subscribe button pushed in. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you like the video. Make sure you're gonna like the video, guys. So thank you for watching till this far. It's gonna be the longest, bro. Yo. I got page, bra. Don't page. My page.
I'm not badging.
It's gonna page.
This is not badging. This is something else too.
So guys, subscribe, like, and make sure you tell the people, tell others. Salut.